To the following three functions in the domain, -2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 2. So my domain is my list of inputs. They're the numbers I'm subbing in for x. So if we look at the first one, if I sub in -2 for x, I get -2 minus 1. So y is going to be -3. So in that function, when x is -2, y is -3. And I can plot my point there. When I sub in -1 for x, I'll end up getting -2 for y. So you can just sub in the next function for x and get your answer for y. So my next couple will be when x is -1, y is -2. When x is 0, y is -1. When x is 1, y is 0. And when x is 2, y is 1. Okay, so for all of these, you're just subbing each of those numbers in for this, and you're getting your answer. So when I plot the points, -1, -2 is this point here, 0, -1 here, 1, 0, and 2, 1. Okay, you then need to get a ruler and join all the points up together to make your line. Okay, the next question then is same domain. So first one, y is equal to 2 minus, and I'm putting -2 in for x and squaring. Y is equal to 2 minus, I'm putting -1 in. Then I'm putting 0 in. 1 and 2. Okay, so the first one, 2 minus 2 squared is 2 minus 4, which is -2. So -2 minus 2. We'll then have when x is -1, y is going to be 1. The next one, when x is 0, y is just going to be 2. Okay, we'll then have 1 here. So when x is 1, y is 1. And then when x is 2, we get a -2 there. Okay, so we plot our points. -2, -2 here. -1, 1. 0, 2. 1, 1. And 2, -2. Okay, we can't get a ruler because we know that it's a quadratic function. And it's a negative quadratic because of the -x squared. Okay, there. So you should have recognised that before you went to draw it out, that it's going to be a negative quadratic like that. Okay, next one then. This is an exponential because the input is a power. So it's 2 to the power of x. So very same thing again. Y is equal to 2 to the power of 1. We'll then say we're starting with -2. 2 to the power of -2. 2 to the power of -1. 2 to the power of 0. 2 to the power of 1. And 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so first one, when x is -2, y is 1/4. So it's actually 0.25. You can double check that in the calculator. 0.5. Any number to the power of 0 is 1, 2, and then 4. So my couples, I'll write the couples over here. When x is -2, y is 1/4. When x is -1, it's a half. When x is 0, we've got 1. When x is 1, we've got 2. And when x is 2, we've got 4. Okay, so we draw that out. -2 1/4 is going to be about there. -1/2 here. 0, 1 there. 1, 2. And 2, 4. Okay, so you can see that it starts off slow and then it increases rapidly there for your exponential graph. Okay, this one. The three curves A, B, and C are shown in the coordinate diagrams below. Two of the curves show a function of x. Put a tick in the correct box to show which curve does not show a function of x. So in order for a function to be real, every input should only have one output. So we can see over on C that there are a few different values for x. So let's just say x here was 2. There would be a few different values. If I drew a straight line through there, there'd be a few different points I could plot there, which isn't right. Okay, so for that one, we can't say that it is a function because some x values have more than one y value. And that's our conclusion. Some x values have more than one y value. Okay, f of x